Ground means outside, and floor means inside. That's the whole idea. Now let's practice with some questions. Number one, the shoes are on the bedroom. Since we are talking about something inside the bedroom, the right word is floor. So, the shoes are on the floor. Great start. Next up, number two, the picnic blanket is on the blank. A picnic happens outdoors, so the correct word is ground. So, the picnic blanket is on the ground. Easy, right? Moving on, number three, we sat on the blank in the park. Parks are outside, so that's the ground. So we say, we sat on the ground in the park. Perfect. Now, number four, she cleaned the blank of her bedroom. Bedrooms are inside, so the right choice here is floor. The answer is she cleaned the floor of her bedroom. Nice work. Let's check number five. They lay on the blank under the tree. Trees are outdoors, so the right word is ground. They lay on the ground under the tree. Easy. Just hope no bugs join the party, right? Finally, number six, I put the mat on the blank. Mats are placed inside, like at the door or in the hallway. So the right word is floor. I put the mat on the floor. Perfect. A quick recap. Ground is used for outdoor services, nature or earth, and floor is used for indoor services, rooms and buildings. Easy distinction, right? Now it's your turn. Try the extra exercise, numbers 7 through 12, and then check the answer key at the end of this video. And don't forget, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe for more fun English tips. I'll see you next time. Bye.